Good morning. Let me just make sure my mic works. Because yesterday, I didn't realize that I didn't have it on. Why? Do you guys know what this is? Okay. Okay, my mic works. Good. We're on. Let's start off with just reading the economical calendar. Today's the 14th. We have PPI. We had PPI at 8:30. Tomorrow we have CPI. We have jobless claims on Thursday. And we have house starts and permits on Friday. Instrumental production on Friday as well. Then we have FOMC on the 29th. Because we have CPI, I don't know if I think there's a low probability of seeing a low resistance liquidity run today. But I do have my key levels that I'm eyeing out. Like that one right there. That right there. There's a PD array up here that I'm looking at. It's a fair value gap. I'm gonna look at my seasonal tendencies. Right now, I'm gonna look at my seasonal tendencies. Because normally we do trade higher, but for some reason I don't know. But I want to see us go lower. I prefer to see price go lower. Just give me a sec. Seasonally, we make a high around this time. Yeah, we make a high around this time, and we start going lower. Maybe we're inversely gonna make a low. We do trade high up. I'm just getting my measurements. Just saying. My charts get cluttered so easily. I need to stop putting so many annotations, but I just see so many things. I just can't ignore everything. Next macro is going to be the 950 macro. I got a minute. I know going short right now is a low probability, but I would still want to go short. The two minute looks good. Too short right now. But that's low probability. We're in the macro. Should start going lower. Nice. Rocket fuel right now. Come on. Oh yeah, that's nice. Come on. Go lower. Sweet. And I'm in. Come on. Boom. Come on. There we go. Awesome. Oh shit. Might be wrong. That's okay. I know how to get back in. I got like 5 minutes to start spilling higher. If not, I'm like offside. And I'm wrong about the bias as well. if it doesn't start spilling higher. Has 5 minutes. Best case scenario, we go all the way back up there. And I might get screwed in the next 2 minutes. I'm offside. Damn. Rocket fuel. Oh, that's gonna suck. Not bad. Just one contract. Take off here. Take off here. Boom. There we go. Take off here. Come on. You get in early and you get smoked. That's okay. Oh, I just have to correct some things. Like, is it high or low resistance? It was high resistance, deep premium, deep discount. We went to a deep discount. I want to see rocket fuel. Like this market has to really spool right now. If not, I have moved my stop to break even, but it has to really spool at that consequential encouragement of the new week opening gap. So my new week opening gaps are red, and my inverse fair value gaps are, they look like that. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Spool for daddy. Spool for me. Spool for me. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. I know you can. She got 5 minutes to do it for me. She got 5 minutes. Come on. There we go. There you go. Come on. A little more. I need you to be a little more stronger. I need you to break through this with speed. Come on. Rocket fuel. You still have 4 minutes. You still have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Come on, baby. I know you want to. Now, just spool aggressively. Come on. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. She's my girl. She takes care of me. I take care of her. It's the dynamic we got. Now we just gotta go up here. Break even. Does that recover the loss I took? No, that was just $85. I'm selling drawdown. So we took a $115 loss, which is normal. I need to work on not trading the 2-minute, because I could trade the 2-minute up and down. Like, that's not what I want to be doing at the moment. What I want to be doing at the moment is trading the 15, 1 hour, 1 hour and 15 for deep retracement. Oh yeah, 2-minute, I would have gotten smoked. Baby girl, you still have another 5 minutes. We're selling to like at 10:05. Come on, you know you want to. You know you want a rocket fuel for me. Let's do it. Rocket fuel right here, right there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby girl. Speed. Just do it quickly, fast. Go faster. Come on. A little more strength. A little more strength. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. There we go. Come on. A little more strength. A little more juice. You got it. You got it. Don't be scared. I'm right here. I'm right here. Come on. Push it. One more. One more. You got 4 minutes. There we go. Come on. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes still. 4 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little stronger. A little stronger. We got 3 minutes, baby girl. 3 minutes. Don't embarrass me now. Don't embarrass me now. Come on. You got 2 minutes. 3. My bad. 3 full minutes. Wait. This is now we're about to explode. Come on. Come on. You got like 2 minutes now. 2 minutes. Shebang. Who watched Kung Fu Panda as a kid? Oh yeah, there we go. Skadoosh. Come on. Come to Papa. And people are going to say it was fake. So, let's see. What's the grand total, guys? So we got praise Jesus. Praise Jesus, because he's helped me out so much. And I give thanks to him for this win. 25. 250 subtracted by the 115 loss I took. We're at 135. 135 plus what? Plus the 722. 857. I say we're done. We are done for today. I don't want to. Actually, I'm not done. I am not done. I think lunch is going to be very strong. I'm willing to take another loss. So I'm still trading. I guess my concern, if you want to consider a concern, is these relative equal lows. I suggest that we might go to that key level. And if we show strength here, then I think we could go up here. Or, well, I don't know. I just don't really see the downside. I don't see price wanting to go lower. It makes no sense for it to go lower at the moment. Oh, I'm in. Wait, that's based off the 2 minute. The 2 minute throws me off so much because I see the entries, but those entries are just so short term, and I'm not like a 10 handle. I'm not a 10 handle trader. But the 2 minute, right? 10 handles, 10 handles, 10 handles, 10 handles. Should I do that? I don't want to be cocky, you know. I don't want to be overly confident, but I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. No. I cannot do that one. That one's, I would take too much. I could do that. And I could become, come on. And I could become, go back down there. Do a speed. And I could do that right there. Where is it? I could do that. It has to be like that. Come on. I could do buy and sell, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Wait for it. Route to fuel. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. Out. Fuck. Alright. Bye. Okay, never mind. My PC is lagging too much, but I could do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and run this account to thousands of dollars. Well, paper money. I'm not a financial advisor. Come on, baby. Come on. Bye. Come on. What did I miss? This is gonna be a wake-up call for me. Come on, stop me out. What did I miss? Oh. Come on. Well, I'm glad I'm catching this live. Come on. I think I'm safe at the moment. Wait, 5 seconds. 15. I need a 5-minute chart. 5 minute, 2 minute. Back up there. So, alright, this shit just got serious. Okay. Bounce back down there. Don't get too cocky. Just focus on it. You're right, Ramirez. Come on. Okay, rocket fuel. Okay, rocket fuel. Now I just want to see this obliterate that right there. I'm gonna still take a partial here because it's risky. I would want to enter one more right there. I would want to see rocket fuel up here, and I want to see definitely rocket fuel up here. Come on. Booyah. Alright. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I want to wait for price to come back down here. And I want to enter one more. I want to see rocket fuel. If not, then we'll go back down here. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Give me another entry. One more entry. I'm actually blind at the moment because I do not have a 15-minute. I need a 15-minute chart. I got a 2-minute. I need a 15-minute chart. You see relative equal lows? It has to take these motherfuckers out before I could go in. I cannot get in until these guys get out. Come on. Come on. Where's my 15? Let's turn you into 15. Let's make you a 15-minute. Let's look at the clock. Okay. Oh yeah, we're taking these motherfuckers out. Alright, come on. Go first and some. No, it's high resistance. It's high resistance. There we go. Come on. Come on. I want to be up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Come on. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Come on, baby girl. You got 20 minutes. You got 1 minute. You got 1 minute. 1 full minute. Come on. A little stronger. A little stronger than that. Come on, baby girl. Buy. Just buy. Buy. I want buy. Right there. Buy. Okay. I need a 15 minute. I need a 5 minute. And I need to ignore the 1 minute. Okay. Here. 2 minute. 2 minute. No. I should do the opposite. This is distracting me. So what do? Do a 5 minute. Do a 2 minute. There you go. Okay, now I'm not blinded. Okay, come on. Buy. Ooh, let's go. I need to see a respawn up here. Buy and sell, look at that. I don't think so. What time is it? 10:21. Okay, 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes. If not, I'm getting stopped out and we're going back lower. We're going lower. Come on. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm getting fully out if we're able to get up here. I'm taking the stop. Yep. There we go. Well, I was somewhat successful. I just need to be fully dialed in if I want to do trades like that. Okay, let's add it all together. 87 plus 184.50 subtract 1. Wait, shit, no, almost. Subtract 1, 2, 3. Subtract 115 plus 85. Oh shit, I think I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay, never mind. We're in the 14, so 1, 5. Subtract. Wait. 115. Subtract 85.25. Subtract 164.75. Subtract 433. Subtract 23.139. Subtract 939 plus 192.11. Am I break even? Did I just make 10? Okay, wait, let me just add it all together. 85.25 plus 164.75 plus 410.33 plus 23 plus 9.33 $1.39. That's 297.11. I took 192.11 of drawdown plus 1.5. Oh yeah. Subtract by 297.11. I'm at $10 of drawdown at the moment, which is not bad. Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I wait? What should I do? I say buy. Buy once this gets taken out. Okay, since we're in mini contracts, I'm not going to make any money here. I'm just going to go back to the normal. 30. 1 hour. Or high resistance, I don't trust that. I don't trust that at all. Also, the time is just not trustworthy either. Selling 1, selling 2. Back up here. Let's go back down here. And we'll call it a day. Come on. Speed. Speed. Be aggressive. I promise you in the 2 minute it looks way more cooler. Come on. Destroy it, destroy it, destroy it. Stop loss. Bring it back up down here. Come on. Speed. Doing speed. Come on. Oh wait, I realized you guys aren't even seeing the profit and loss. Forgot you guys like watching that thing go up and down. Come on. Come on. Oh shit. Should do it right now. You got like 2 minutes, baby. 2 minutes. It should use that low it just created as rocket fuel and just go straight to the bottom of the new week opening gap. Come on. Just do it one more try. You got 1 minute. 1 full minute to impress me. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Up, down, all day long. if I have to, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, buy, sell. If I have the right charts in front of me, if I have the right screens, if I have the right time frames located in the right screens, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You know what's funny? We're back at where we were originally with our profit, 135. So 135.5, 135.5 plus 722. Yep, we're back exactly where we were. I'm taking that break. I don't have anything to prove to anybody. I don't need to entertain you guys. I don't have to do. What if I just demo now? No. That's the thing. I could get very obsessive in these moments. Let's just not trade. Let's live stream. I'll live stream, but I'm just not gonna place any trades. I would want to go short. Fuck. I have my profit. But would I want to get in right now? No. I would not want to get in right now. What would I want to do? What would I be looking for? I'd be looking at the premium discount. Oh yeah. Of that candle. No. Of that candle. I'd be looking for this level. I would want to go long right now, and then I would want to go short right here. I would want to add right now, add. I should not have drank that green tea. Last time I ever drank green tea before doing a live stream. Give me a sec. I got pasta. I guess we're in a low resistance liquidity run. I don't know. I think we are. I think just by the way we're respecting first, second quarter, I think we are. That makes me want to get in more because my target would be on the 8 hour. It would be an order block. That was fun. I had like fun. That was very fun. It's a little cold. It looks like we're in a low resistance liquidity run. That's what upsets me. That I could get good moves in the market. Like I could get in and out, but I want that good move. I want like that really, really good move. And I sometimes miss it. That's what I gotta work on. Man, I really wanted that good move. Price is about to just slam dunk. Oh yeah. Come on. What about the 1 hour? Right there. Oh, that's just so. Come on. It's just a set and done deal. Come on. What's best? Think about it. Put yourself in my shoes. What's more responsible? Because I know I could get in. I know I could get in. I know I could get in any move right now. And I could write that all the way down there, right? I could do that. Or I could be patient and learn from this and remind myself, stop trying to impress people, stop trying to be in and out of the market, and wait for the best setup and get the big move you're looking for. Because if I don't teach myself discipline, I'm just gonna keep doing idiotic stuff like trying to show off. So how about and get it wrecked? Cause I was trying to show off and you saw what happened. I wasn't paying attention to the charts and I got smoked. So I'm gonna let this move run without me, and I'm gonna take the L, and I'm gonna come back from it, and I'm gonna mature from this. I need to mature. You know, I'm being very reckless. I'm being very idiotic, and that's not who I am, and that's not who I want to be known as. I want to be known as the guy who's methodical, who thinks, who's strategic, who thinks before he acts, who 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 doesn't act on impulse. And I was definitely acting on impulse today. We took a win, guys, but guess what? We took a loss, a big fat loss, a big fat loss because we didn't. I shut off. I didn't follow my rules. But I'm gonna make up that loss by not getting in. Now you think it'd be vice versa, right? The loss would be, oh, you lost, you took money. No, I wasn't showing discipline, and that's more important than the money. But there's such good moves going on. Such great moves. Whatever. I'm gonna just eat my noodles and watch price. Yeah, I'm like done. And if you're wondering, it's pasta alfredo. So good. It has shrimp. I'm allergic to shrimp. But if I get if my throat gets clogged, that'll be awesome. Wait, now that I'm done, how about you and I do some studying? Let's study these charts. Let's study these charts. Alright, let's play. Where would I enter on? You go first. Comment down below. Where would you enter on? Where's the footprint? I say the footprint is right here. That's the footprint right here. And like I've said in multiple videos, my footprint concept is not an order block, it's an ICT. It's a PD array that's been left behind. That's literally it. That's all it is. That's a footprint. And this is the one that's been left behind. But the way you use a footprint is, it's not like an entry. It's more like we will read it. We're gonna read the market together. Alright? Because when I'm trading for myself, I gotta be dialed down. I can't be talking too much. Well, I'll give you a rundown of what it sounds like in my head. We're respecting the body closed above the opening gap. The opening is above the opening gap. I mean, not opening gap, above the new week opening gap. We have this right here. We have this right here. We have that right there. We have this right here. We have that right there. We have this right here. We have that right there. We have these up here. We got that down there. Wait, what's tomorrow? CPI? I only bring that up because look at these highs. Look at these lows. Wouldn't it make sense that one of these highs, one of these relative equal lows is going to be taken out by CPI, or they want to leave relative equal highs? So that means we're in low probability at the moment. Okay, we closed at 25% of the gap. We traded back lower. We traded into this. I want to see if we could show strength or weakness. It shows that we're showing strength. Let's see if we could go up here. We could show strength, then next candle lower, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna see if we respect this. If not, then I'm gonna wait for my best exit, which would be here. That's basically what goes on in my head. But really quickly, and yeah. It's like An if then this type of scenario. Like that. We closed 25, we hit that. We got an order block right here. Got consequential encouragement. We got that right there. If we tag it, can we go back higher? There's, what do you call this? There's engineer liquidity. Don't get in. Do not go long yet. Wait for this. But how do I know when to get in here? And how do I know when price will go here, right? I didn't even acknowledge that there's a PD right there. Damn, I really gotta do a better job at being more focused. Like a way better, more job. Oh yeah, I need to work on my paying attention skills. Damn. Never mind, we're not going up there. I want to see this be used as rocket fuel. I want consequential encouragement to be used as rocket fuel. Do you see how the narrative is changing constantly? Okay, now I want to see this be used as an order block, and now start going back lower. So all the people who are going long now, I'm assuming are going to get stopped out by this. Well, I'm assuming are going to be blocked by that, stopped out down here, because there's stops down here now. So I'm anticipating where the stops are. I go along here, my stop is going back down there. They're all panicking now. Rocket fuel. Come on. Rocket fuel. It's going to rocket fuel because there's a bunch of stops down there. Should rocket fuel. We got 10 minutes. 10, right? Well, 10 minutes to just spool so quickly. Some of them might be adding. Some of them might be lowering it. They probably had it right here. Now they're going to lower it back down here. They're going to take it back down here. And it's going to Judah swing. It's going to go back up here. Judah swing is an ICT concept. It's going to go back up here. And then it's going to definitely rip them out. Did you take note on why I changed my bias because I said I want to see it go up here, right? But do you see the way we closed at 25% of this mitigation block? And did you see how we have a PDR right down here? And you see how there's a Francis gap right here? So this is a Francis gap. It's unique to me. And I want to see how price will respond at the quarter levels. More specifically, first, second quarter, which is my concept. Also, rocket fuel is my concept. But these guys are out. They're scared now. But guess what? The market's going to turn around, go up here, and take these guys who are going short now. Because these guys, they're getting scared. They're getting out of their longs and they're going short. They're going short here, they're going short here, they're going short here, and guess where their stop is? It's going to be right here, and the market's going to go right up here. Don't believe me? Let's watch it live. Or it's going to either do that. Boom. Or it's either going to do that because it's 1050 to 1110 is a macro. And the macro is just going to keep on spooling lower, spooling lower. But I want to see how it responds to the Francis gap. First, second quarter levels. And this is the Francis gap. The Francis gap is where I'm placing the first, second quarter levels. Wow. It's almost predictable. It's almost like very simple. It's almost like it's algorithmic. I'm about to blow your brain. There's a Francis gap right here. Do you guys see the Francis gap? Please tell me you see the Francis gap. There's a Francis gap right here. Go up there. Start spiking up. People are going to start going long. Go back lower. For the Francis gaps, I know I just went to this one right away. You always want to leave it to the original one. You just want to make a note of this one, because the original one is going to be the one that the market is looking at. But it's looking at both. But what can happen is price going down here, and then going up here. Or it could go up there, then go straight down to the Francis gap. You see that? That's unique. You're probably wondering what just happened. There's a new candle. Think about it. There's a new candle now. Which means there's a new candle, right? You catch my drift? There's a new candle. I probably just lost a bunch of you. There's a new candle, so that means there's a new narrative. There's a new context to the market. That was so fun. That was very nice. It's nice watching it happen before the fact. And I'm calling it live. I am live streaming, right? And my mic is on, right? Ah, it's on. Okay. That would have been bad. Yeah. That would have been funny. This happened yesterday. Where I was calling out the market tick by tick, and my mic was not working. Thought it was funny, but I did. Never mind. I want to make a YouTube video about something. I want to make it about marrying the trade idea. I know I already made one, but I want to add more to it. Like, I feel like it wasn't enough. You know, you're allowed to change your bias, right? Like, you're allowed to move with the ebb and flow and be like, yeah, no, wrong, in, out, I'm wrong, I'm out, I'm in, I'm wrong, I'm right, I'm wrong, I'm in, I'm wrong. Like, the market is constantly changing narrative. Now you know what I mean when I say that. The market is constantly changing narrative. Why am I going to stick with the same bias after every new narrative? It makes no sense. So, I think that'll be a very valuable video to the community if I just spoke on it. But, here's the thing. I don't have credentials. I don't have receipts to prove that I'm a profitable trader, except this. Nice. And you think Francis gaps aren't real? Explain how it's respecting it. Explain that, please. Look at the first quarter. Look how the body closed. Look how the body opened. And tell me about the consequential encouragement of the of the second quarter of the Francis gap. Francis gaps are real, they exist, they work, they're mine. If you ever use one, you gotta put my name before it, Francis gaps. And don't get fooled with a fair value gap. It's not a fair value gap, and it's not an inverse fair value gap, but it could have the priorities? I don't know. But it have the same aspects of it, but it's not a fair value gap because there's no candles. It's in space, if that's what you want to call it. Un momento, por favor. Francis gaps. They're mine. Let's call it that. There we go. This is a Francis gap. California should not be this cold. It's like really cold. At 12, I'm getting off, and I'm gonna go about my day, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. I would be willing to do PM sessions, but it would be with a different account, because I don't want to trade AM and then take a loss PM. It's just gonna ruin my day. I'd rather trade AM with a different account, trade PM with a different account. If you guys want PM session trades, then comment down below. If not, then oh well. Awesome. And it's in that macro of 10, 50, 11, 10. What's something I need to work on? I always ask myself critical questions. What's something I need to work on? And I think what I need to work on is using these charts, because many times I'm looking at my laptop and I'm looking at the 5 and 2 minute, and sometimes I get in when I shouldn't be getting in based off the 2 minute. I do not want to take trades. Actually, I'm gonna correct that. I do use the 2 minute. That's why I'm using the 2 minute. But I don't want to add to a position using the 2 minute. There we go. That's better said. Because I don't want you believing that, oh yeah, you can't use a lower time frame. No, I use both higher and lower time frames. I use both, yeah, the higher and lower time frames equally. There's no difference. But I don't want to add to a position that I'm already in using a lower time frame. I want to use a higher time frame. Yeah. There's a few PD arrays I'm looking at. Like this one right here. This is a fair value gap. That's an invisible gap. That one right there. It's invisible because you can't see it. But in a different time frame, it's a gap. It's a fair value gap. Invisible gaps are mine. Now they're yours. So have fun. Here we go. From that low, should I just call it Francis gap? No. Francis gaps and invisible gaps are two different things. So don't get confused. Francis gaps are different and invisible gaps are different. But I call it an invisible fair value gap because in a different time frame, it is a fair value gap. But in the time frame I'm looking at it, the 30-minute, it's invisible. I can't see the fair value gap, but I could see its silhouette. You know, imagine the silhouette of a ballerina. It's it's a ballerina. You can see the ballerina. You just can't physically see her. That's an invisible fair value gap. This is the silhouette of it. That low, that high. I don't see it, but this is its silhouette. That low and that high. And here on the 1 hour, we see the fair value gap. But even then, look, there to there, from there to there, right? That would be a Francis gap. From here to here. Why? Because from here to here, that's a fair value gap. From here, that's a fair value gap. Then when this traded into it, from here to here, that's a Francis gap. Right? Here to here in some other time frame. I don't even know what time frame it is. I don't even know which time frame. I don't have to look for it. I know in some time frame, from here to here, there's a fair value gap. And that's what I know. Well, that's part of what I know. That's a fraction of what I know. Everything I know, if you're wondering who taught me, how I learned it, I would have point you to the direction of ICT and Jesus. Jesus Christ and ICT. Jesus Christ, who's given me the wisdom and patience to understand this, who's actually helped me throughout understanding the things that ICT doesn't teach, and ICT for teaching me the things that he's taught and that he also received from God. So maybe there's a correlation to putting your faith in him and not trading itself, but putting your faith in him and trusting that he'll help you in your career, or not career, but help you to live a more fulfilled life. Definitely. I feel like that's guaranteed. I promise you that you will not become a better trader. I promise you, you will not. You will never become a better trader if you seek Jesus. But if you seek Jesus, you will become a way better person. You will have a way better life, a whole new way of thinking if you seek Jesus. But I can't guarantee that you'll become a good trader. I don't think you will. I don't know. That's my take on it. So do you remember the Francis gap that was left behind? That would be the PDR I'm looking at. I know there's this. Many times you will look at a fair value gap like this and you think, okay, price wants to go to this fair value gap. But you don't see this right here. That's a balanced price range. That's an immediate rebalance. That's an ICT concept. It's immediately rebalanced. So that is not the PDR I'm looking at. I'm looking at this PDR, the Francis gap. It's an actual gap, guys. It's I'm not just trying to be funny. I really do have a PDRA name, Francis gaps. It's a real thing. It really works, and there's no other name for it, and you can't change it. It's Francis gaps. It is what it is. If you figure out PDRA, you get to change it. You have the ability to name it whatever you want. And for me, Francis gaps is one of that. Did I say gaps? Francis gaps? Well, the name is true to its name. The logic is true to its name, Francis gaps, because it's never gonna be just one Francis gap. It's gonna be multiple ones at the same time. Francis gaps. So the name is accurate. And just like any other PDRA, it's also inverse. It could be inversely used, meaning it could fail and work a different way. I'm getting tired. I've been waking up at 5 so I could do these. I guess this is just day 2 of waking up at 5 a.m. and I enjoy the feeling of it. I like to think that I'm like some rock star, you know? Like I feel sore because of the gym. I'm tired, and I think of being in like a movie or being a rock star and just needing to wake up and perform, you know? And it gets me up, and I guess I'm enjoying it, but I get tired throughout the day. I got tired yesterday throughout the day. All I wanted was to nap. I knew if I napped, I would be I wouldn't be able to go to sleep at 9. That's the other thing. I sleep at 9, wake up at 5. That's 8 hours. I would want to go short right now. Like just add everything. Put my stop up here. Because we didn't trade, we didn't close inside the Francis gap. We're closing inside this fair value gap. We had a hammer right here. We should start taking this out. And then go back here, go down here. It is the 11:14. What's the next? New candle, 11:15. Yeah, 11:15. Start shooting lower. You know, I feel a whole lot more relaxed, a lot more calm while live streaming. Occasionally do I get like that intrusive thought, but I've been feeling a whole lot more confident, a lot more relaxed, a lot more cold. I need to get like a heater for my room or like a new jacket. That's nice. It's respecting the order block, and to me, that's an immediate rebalance. What just happened? Okay, I think I'm fine for now. Oh shit, what's going on? Please tell me you guys heard the PC noise. What's going on? What is it doing? My PC is going crazy. It's like making. There we go. I think it's my cue to like get off. I would have gotten stopped out. Completely obliterated. And this is why you don't trade the 2-minute and the 5-minute. Oh yeah. That's why you don't trade the 2-minute or the 5-minute. Because you're missing the PD race. I think some wires like pulling on my PC or something. Why is it making that noise? I have like an app open. Why did I do that? Give me a sec. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna just end the live. Yep, I'm ending the live. Alright, I have fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.